Hi, in this video, I'm going to share a way where you can earn up to 30K per month using ChatGPT. This is very simple thing, but you need to put some time and effort. That's the only thing that you need. And there is a free way and a paid way as well to earn money from ChatGPT using the way that I'm going to share. Firstly, it's all about selling guides. There will be many kind of guides where we need every day for all the purposes. So it might be I can say selling something online. So most of us don't know, like you can create a guide. That's something that you can earn. And how to grow on Instagram, so it is something that most people, most young creators would like to know. So if you can create a guide, then ultimately people would like to view that or purchase that. Or if someone is learning a new technology, if you can create how to build a first app using the technology, then again it's a valuable thing. So there will be many kind of guides where you can create using chat gpt, and if you try selling them, there are a lot of opportunities for you that you can use to earn. So in this video, I'm going to share how you can create guides using chat gpt and sell them on online platforms. Please make sure you watch the video till then, because I will also be sharing how you can sell online and what is the earning potential. Let's suppose like I have opened chat gpt now. Let's suppose if you're targeting people who are learning android or android app development, and if you can create a guide, something like this. I'm just giving chat gpt this prompt, like I want to create a guide on how to build your first android app using Android Studio for beginners. So this is the guide that I wanted to create. I want it to be a 10-page Word document. You or you can ask me, like, please help me in creating this guide. So this is what I asked ChatGPT, and I'm also sharing like first give the outline, and I'm also mentioning my target audience. So that is very important. My target audience or beginners who are new to coding. So because like if he is a hardcore coder, then there is no need of a guide, right? So I'm targeting people who are beginners, who are new to coding. Like they need this knowledge, like not we, like. So that is the reason why I said like my target audience was beginners. So let's see how ChatGPT will provide an output for me. I first asked outline, not the content, because if there is any, if there are any mistakes that you need to do, that you will figure out in the outline, you can ask ChatGPT to change the outline. Or if there is something that you wanted to add, you don't want the 10 exact things that ChatGPT will suggest. So that's the reason why I asked outline first instead of the content. If you can see, it gave me 10 different steps. So you can say one section per page. So introduction to android development, setting up a development environment, creating your first project, etc. So now I got 10 sections, right? So all you have to do is like open a google doc. Just open docs.google.com. So this is a free to use or document creator tool, because like you need this to create that document that I'm mentioning. Let's suppose I am giving a title. So let's suppose I'm giving a title something like this: step by step guide to build your first android app or application. So this is the title of my guide. Now what I have to do is like i can uh, I can just ask chat gpt to give one by one. Okay, let's give one page content, section by section. Start with one. So now I'm asking ChatGPT to directly give me the content. So this is the first page, like page one, introduction to Android development, and it's giving me all the information that I need. Here, like I feel like, okay, if I feel this is okay, then I can proceed to next. So now you can, like, if you feel this content is fine, you can just ask next. So in this way you can get 10 sections, 10 pages of content. So this is guide, remember this is a guide, and it's also giving you all the links. So all you have to do is like just click the link and follow the steps, that's it. So it's giving the links, right? So it's good. So it's not that it's a basic guide, so it has everything that you need. Maybe it might cross 10 pages limit as well, because there were 10 sections, so it might cross as well, but it's still fine because you're giving as detailed information as possible. Now, so in this way, like, you will get all the 10 sections. Now what you should do, so you need to paste all these 10 sections here. So this is the title, right? So paste one section by section. So after you paste all the 10 sections, you will get a guide. Now how you can sell them, how you can make money, there are two ways. First thing is, there is a platform called Gumroad where you can sell digital products. This is a free to use platform. Like, you don't need to pay anything to sell digital products. All you have to do is like open Gumroad and click new product. That's it. Here you will see there were many different types of things that you can sell here. Now let's consider this is a course or a tutorial. Just select this and click next. On name, it's asking a name, like just give this name. I'm just giving the name and clicking customize. And you need to place the price here. You can select whatever the currency that you belong to. Let's suppose if you are from US, you can select dollars, or if you are from India, just select rupees. Because this is very basic thing. If you charge more money, you won't get sales. So you need to make sure you create value for as much less that is possible, because then only people will buy. So why would I buy an Android app development guide for uh, 500 or 1000 rupees? No, right? But if I get something for very cheap price, then ultimately there are chances that I would buy that product. That's the reason. Let's give simple price. Like, I have priced it as 73, because 73 is good, right? Instead of putting 500 or 1000 where no one will buy, if you put reasonable price, you will get more sales. So you should put some reasonable pricing, so that is also important. And you can customize it later, but yeah, it is how you should list your product on Gumroad. It's very simple. All you have to do is like, you can give some description. You can ask ChatGPT for that. And if you have any cover images, that's also helpful. You can use Canva to create cover images. That's it. And there is another way. If you are taking it seriously, then so there is an option to create a Shopify store. Like, Shopify stores look something like this. Like, I have created this clothing brand using Shopify. You can list all your products, and you'll have your own domain name. So you can create a website using Shopify easily, and you can list all the guides that you have created. So you can promote it on social media, so that, like, people will feel like, okay, your website is a one stop resource for all the guides. You can reach out to mass audience. You can reach out to audience in good numbers. Like, if you use Shopify to create a website, this is another way. But this is a pay, like, you need to pay monthly subscription fee to use that. But if you feel, no, I only need for side hustle purpose, I'm not taking it seriously, then Gumroad is the best way, because you don't need to pay anything. But if you can use Shopify, even though you need to pay, but there are more chances that you can reach to more audience, and you will get good number of sales. So that is your wish, but this is something that I wanted to share. So by using ChatGPT, you can sell guides and you can make money online. I hope you find this video helpful. If you're a new visitor to my channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more such content. Also, if you feel someone else would benefit from this video, please share this video with them. Thank you.